Hi, Arif, how are you?
Hello, Sama. I am well, and you?
I am fine. Please tell me something about our Islam today.
Okay, I am telling. Islam is not a passive religion. Islam is an active religion. Islam is a religion about taking action. So, for example, the Prophet says, if you see something wrong, you should try to change it. He doesn't say you should just turn the other cheek. He doesn't say you should be passive. He says you should try to change it with your hand. And if you cannot change it with your hand, then with your tongue. To speak out against it. And if you cannot, then at least, hate it in your heart. And this is the weakest of Iman. So, what he's done is he has linked Iman with taking action against injustice.
Thank you for tell this.